As we age, production of collagen and elastin in the skin naturally begins to slow, while oxidative damage from external factors such as UV exposure and pollution continue to accumulate. This results in visible signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, laxity, and discoloration. Laser treatments address these conditions by directing concentrated light energy into the skin, stimulating collagen production and encouraging cellular renewal. While laser treatments are effective in addressing signs of aging in the skin, they can cause temporary sensitivity as the skin heals. Used directly after a laser procedure, Phyto Corrective Gel has a cooling effect on the skin, instantly cooling skin by 5 degrees Fahrenheit immediately upon application. The soothing botanicals and hydrators continue to aid the skin by strengthening the barrier function by 40%, promoting a healthy recovery. Because laser treatments alter the function of the skin's barrier, the use of a protective cream can make recovery more comfortable and expedient. Advanced RGN-6 is a skin rejuvenation cream physician tested for immediate use following a laser treatment. Using patented skincare technology, it provides 1.8 times enhanced barrier recovery and minimizes post-laser downtime. An effective antioxidant serum used both before, during, and after a laser treatment is essential for achieving and maintaining the desired results. The gold standard antioxidant serum, C E Ferulic, has been physician tested with 7 types of lasers and shown to complement results on all skin tones. Effective skincare is an ideal partner to complement the results of laser treatments. The use of Phyto Corrective Gel for immediate post-laser soothing, Advanced RGN-6 for post-treatment repair, and C E Ferulic for powerful antioxidant protection, together combined with laser treatments for a comprehensive approach to radiant, youthful-looking skin.